What's up guys? In this video, let's unbox and review the new Realme earbuds and see if you should buy these earphones or not. The Realme Buds is the first in-ear budget headphones from Realme to be featured on the channel. So let's find out if these earphones are worth the 500 rupees price tag and whether it suits your audio needs or not. On opening this decently attractive package, right in front you are greeted with the Realme Buds itself. And the first thing you notice will be the heavier weight of the Realme Buds in your hands compared to any other brands in this price range or even earphones which cost much higher. Starting with the pros and stuff which I liked about the Realme Buds is the presence of the volume buttons, which is mostly a rarity at this price range. The addition of volume buttons makes things convenient, especially while you are on the move or your smartphone is not easily accessible and inconvenient to reach. The second big advantage, most definitely, is that the cable is made out of Kevlar, which is a very strong material. This should make it last for a longer time compared to thin, weaker wires, and also sort of makes it tangle free. The next pro will be the close proximity of the mic from the face, and because of this, your voice sounds loud and clear to the person you're talking to. And because both the earbuds are magnetized, they stick together quite firmly and can be used to hang it around your neck when not in use or to arrange it neatly. Coming to the sound quality and the fifth pro of the Realme Buds, the bass presence is pretty decent, especially in the mid-bass frequency. The low bass response though are much better on Xiaomi's Mi Earphones Basic. The high frequency notes, also commonly called as treble, is the one thing sorely missing from the sound. And because it doesn't have the sharpness in sound, it lacks in clarity and makes the audio output sound kind of muddy. So the Realme earbuds can be recommended only to those who just need strong earphones for talking rather than listening to music. Earphones like the Audio-Technica CLR100 or the much cheaper Mi Earphones Basic have much better audio quality and are recommended over the Realme earbuds.